Hello, Manalili. Happy birthday to you. Good health always. Paray ka na mahihiling paman kay ada na imuan nga tanan. Kundi good health, long life. We love you. Ikadwa ka namon nga nanay. Miss you.
Hello Lola, happy 80th birthday. Thanks God kasi safe ka. Tapos good memories pa. Tapos gwapa pa rin. And we miss you. I love you so much and enjoy your birthday. God bless you more pa. Ito yung mga bata.
Okay po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Love you.
I love you.
Happy po.
Happy birthday.